Hey April, I paid my car note this morning, so now I'm waiting on my car get fixed cause my brake light came on and I just spent like burning oil. I changed my oil like 3 weeks ago, so now I like waiting for my car get fixed. So I'm just came on here and let y'all know, like, comment, subscribe, and I would never come back here at 7 Mode in Covington get a car for them because I've been having a problem out day one since my full car I trained in for them. So I'm finna go outside and walk around, let y'all see the cars. They have nice cars, some of the cars nice, but I wouldn't come back here. But I came here because they're like the low key where I can like get like my budget. So like, comment, subscribe. Oh, it's nice and inside. That my car over there, y'all. It coming in. That my car. This is my car. Right there. This nice one, like that fish I call over there across the street. Then I got some. I came to Rainbow get two outfits. One for Thanksgiving, one for my friend's birthday the weekend. So we're gonna turn up. So I can't wait. So I'm walking the Rainbow across the street. Like, these are my outfits. I got two outfits I'm gonna wear. One for my best friend, then what I got at Rainbow. So like, comment, subscribe if y'all like this video. And please follow. And happy Thanksgiving.